CICU devices.
HeartMate 2 and 3, controller system backup battery issue. Backup battery fault alarm. The HeartMate II, introduced in the mid-2000s, marked a turning point in long-term LVAD therapy. It is a continuous flow axial pump, small, durable, and capable of supporting patients for years. Later came the HeartMate III, featuring a fully magnetically levitated centrifugal pump, offering improved hemocompatibility, lower thrombosis risk, and virtually no mechanical wear. This system represents now the mainstay of durable mechanical support for patients with advanced or end-stage heart failure, either as a bridge to transplantation, bridge to candidacy, or destination therapy. HeartMate II and HeartMate III share the same system controller platform. The system controller is the brain of the LVAD, responsible for regulating pump speed, monitoring flow estimates, and managing alarms. It also provides the visual and acoustic interface for patients and clinicians. The system controller also contains an internal backup battery designed to provide approximately 15 minutes of power in case of accidental disconnection or during battery exchanges. In October 2025, Abbott issued an urgent field safety notice about the HeartMate system controller, following an observed increase in backup battery fault alarms reported by users. The investigation identified corrosion at the connection interface between the controller and the backup battery ribbon cable. This typically results from excessive handling or mechanical stress during installation or replacement, especially when the cable is used to support the controller's weight. If this problem occurs, an alarm will appear in the system controller. This alarm appears as a flashing yellow wrench icon on the controller screen, accompanied by the message, "Call hospital contact, backup battery fault." When the device is connected to external power, either batteries or the mobile power unit, the alarm is advisory and pump function remains normal. The potential consequences of this backup battery failure include pump stoppage during external battery exchange or controller replacement, which may result in hemodynamic instability or, in the most severe cases, patient death. The recommendations issued by the company are as follows. Clinicians should minimize handling and mechanical stress on the ribbon cable when installing or replacing the backup battery, avoiding any pulling or bending at the connector interface. If a backup battery fault alarm occurs, the patient must remain connected to an external power source and contact their hospital team immediately for guidance. Patients should not attempt to exchange the system controller without clinical supervision. Finally, Abbott is currently redesigning the battery connection interface to prevent recurrence of this issue, but still pending regulatory approval.
Press the like button and subscribe to stay updated on the latest CICU device safety alerts.